Looking for the perfect kitchen helper, but feeling completely confused by so many options? Don't want to waste your money on the wrong product? Then this video is just for you. Today, we'll show you the top 5 best hand mixers and blenders that will make your cooking faster and easier. So make sure to watch till the end, because your perfect option is on this list. Let's get started. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer is a practical and reliable appliance designed for everyday kitchen tasks. With a 250-watt motor and 6 speed settings, it provides the right balance of power and control for mixing, whipping, and blending ingredients efficiently. It is perfect for home cooks who need a simple yet effective tool for baking and cooking. This hand mixer comes with traditional beaters and a whisk attachment, making it versatile enough for preparing cake batter, cookie dough, or whipped cream. One of its standout features is the Quick Burst button, which delivers an extra boost of power when needed for tougher mixing tasks. The snap-on storage case keeps all attachments neatly organized, reducing clutter in your kitchen. Its bowl rest feature allows the mixer to sit securely on the edge of a bowl, preventing drips and messes on your countertop. The lightweight design ensures comfortable handling, while the dishwasher-safe attachments make cleaning quick and easy. Overall, this mixer is an affordable, user-friendly, and dependable option for everyday cooking needs. Number 2. Bonsenkitchen Immersion Blender Handheld. The Bonsenkitchen Immersion Blender Handheld is a powerful and versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify food preparation. With a high-performance motor and 20 adjustable speed settings, it offers excellent control for blending a wide variety of ingredients smoothly and efficiently. It is ideal for making soups, smoothies, sauces, and baby food with ease. This appliance includes multiple attachments such as a whisk, chopper bowl, and beaker, allowing it to handle different tasks in one compact device. Its stainless steel blades are durable and designed for efficient blending, even with tougher ingredients. One of its key features is the turbo mode, which provides an extra burst of power when needed for faster and smoother results. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended periods without strain. The detachable design makes cleaning simple and convenient, saving time in the kitchen. Overall, this immersion blender is a multifunctional, space-saving, and efficient choice for modern cooking needs. Number 3. Yomelo 9-Speed Digital Hand Mixer. The Yomelo 9-Speed Digital Hand Mixer is a powerful and modern appliance designed for users who want precision and performance in their kitchen. With a strong 400-watt motor and 9 speed levels, it provides excellent control for a wide range of mixing tasks, from light batters to heavy dough. Its digital control panel makes operations smooth and easy, giving it a more advanced feel compared to traditional hand mixers. The mixer comes with multiple stainless steel attachments, including beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk, making it suitable for baking, whipping, and kneading. The snap-on storage case helps keep all accessories organized and easily accessible. Its design also focuses on stability and reduced noise, ensuring a comfortable and efficient mixing experience. The sleek and stylish appearance adds a modern touch to any kitchen setup. Overall, this hand mixer is ideal for users who need high power, advanced control, and versatility for both simple and heavy-duty mixing tasks. Number 4. Cuisinart Power Advantage 5-Speed Hand Mixer. The Cuisinart Power Advantage 5-Speed Hand Mixer is a dependable appliance designed for everyday cooking and baking needs. With a 220-watt motor and 5 speed settings, it offers consistent performance for mixing, blending, and whipping ingredients. It is a great choice for users who prefer simplicity and reliability. The mixer features a smooth slide control, allowing easy adjustment between speeds for different recipes. It includes extra-long beaters that provide better reach and improved mixing in deeper bowls. These beaters are also dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and convenient. The swivel cord adds flexibility, making it comfortable to use for both right and left-handed users. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling, even during longer mixing sessions. With its durable construction and classic design, this mixer fits well into any kitchen. Overall, it is a simple, efficient, and long-lasting option for everyday food preparation tasks. Number 5. KitchenAid 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer is a premium appliance known for its quality, durability, and stylish design. With 5 speed settings, it provides smooth and consistent performance for a variety of mixing tasks, from gently stirring ingredients to whipping cream. This mixer features stainless steel turbo beater attachments, which are designed for efficient mixing and better results. The lockable swivel cord keeps the cord out of the way, improving convenience during use. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended periods. The compact and lightweight design also makes storage simple and hassle-free. Available in a range of attractive colors, it adds a stylish and modern look to any kitchen. Its sturdy build ensures long-term reliability, making it a trusted choice for many users. Overall, this mixer is perfect for those who want a combination of performance, durability, and elegant design in their everyday kitchen appliance. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.